Start recording. Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, just now we discussed, right? We are going to discuss Oracle Analytics Cloud. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't respond. Okay. I'm okay. Guys, today we are going to discuss about Oracle Analytics Cloud. Okay. And I'm going to give you online analytics cloud online training. Okay. And my name is Mahesh, and I'm going to discuss about OAC. I'm working. Okay. I have around 10 plus of IT experience. In that, 8 years relevant into this OAC and FDI and OAS, OBAEE and PIF. These all I have very good experience. Okay. And coming to my teaching background, I trained around 50 plus students in this Oracle Analytics Cloud. And we are going to, in this training program, we are going to cover complete real-time scenarios. How we are going to create an instance, how we are going to create Oracle infrastructure, cloud tenancy, compartment, these all we will discuss as a part of this training program. After that, how we are going to work on semantic model, how we are going to create business logics, and how to deploy that semantic model. Using that, how we are going to create a new workbooks using OAC, and these all we will discuss as a part of this training program. Now, let me start with this, okay? And before going to start, I'm going to give you some self-introduction. Today is the introduction section. Due to that, I'm going to give you some background about this Oracle Analytics Cloud. And now everybody using Oracle Analytics Cloud, what is that? It's a basically using this. What is the use of this Oracle Analytics Cloud? Oracle Analytics Cloud is the cloud-based application. It is having all advanced features like AI and MI, machine learning and artificial intelligence features, along with business intelligence features also. Previously, we have business intelligence application features along with AI and machine learning features also added into this particular cloud platform that is called as a what Oracle Analytics Cloud. And basically, you end result of the Oracle Analytics Cloud using this, what we are going to create? We are going to create workbooks. What is mean by workbooks? Okay, name should be very fancy, but using workbook nothing but report. Okay, what is mean by report? Okay, report nothing but we have data. Before going to generate a report, definitely we require data. Okay, that data, okay, we have huge amount of data. Okay, that data we are going to show in a clear picture as per client requirement. That is called as a what report. Okay, report they will call as a what workbook under OAC, Oracle Analytics Cloud. Okay, using this Oracle, basically, generally we can say like using Oracle Analytics Cloud, we are going to create what reports. That reports we are going to call as a what workbook under OAC. Okay, yeah, we have data. That data we are going to show in a clear picture as per client requirement. That is called as a what report. Okay, now before going to generate a report, what we require? Definitely we require data. Basically, data in the form of databases or data warehouses. Okay, and it should support, right? Here, first feature of what is the benefits of Oracle Analytics Cloud compared to all analytics or reporting tools. This Oracle Analytics Cloud will give better scalability. What is meant by the scalability? I will tell you. Okay, just now we discussed before going to generate a report, what we required, obviously data. That data in the form of database or data warehouse. Okay, see, basically databases are, you guys are aware of different types of databases, right? Like data in the form of tables, structured and unstructured also it will support. Structured means data is stored in a form of rows and columns, that is called as a table. Example, RDBMS. Okay, that kind of structured data also it will support. Let us take example, multi-dimensional databases like SBase. Use in that SBase data in the form of cubes, unstructured data, that is also supported by whom? This Oracle Analytics Cloud. And not only that structure or not only unstructured, it will support any kind of flat file, any kind of data. Nowadays it will support video files, audio files, whatnot, everything supported by whom? This Oracle Analytics Cloud. Okay, due to that, compared to any other reporting or cloud technology, cloud analytics tools, this OAC will provide better scalability. Why? Because it will support any kind of data. Got it? No doubts, right? Now, second feature will be what? Performance. Obviously, okay, a client, why they are going to use this Oracle Analytics Cloud to create, they are going to see their data in the form of workbook, right? See that workbook, when they click on that workbook, it will display data. It, but let us take example. It is taking more than 2 minutes. Less. It is taking more time to load. Means they are not going to use, right. That is not in a proper format. Okay, due to that, it will give better performance. Why? Because here there is a concept called semantic model. There we are going to create metadata. Okay, using that metadata, after creation of that metadata, we need to deploy this into Oracle Analytics inside. Okay, once you deploy that, automatically it will that report will generate a optimized query beyond that report. It will run faster. Okay, due to that, it will give better performance. That feature is available under this Oracle Analytics Cloud. Oracle Analytics Cloud, compared to any BI or cloud technologies, it will support better performance. Not only performance, which will provide better security as well. Okay, it will basically, security are two types, like authentication and authorization. It will support any kind of security. Here we have IDCS. Okay, now this Oracle Analytics Cloud using IDCS. Okay, identity domain configuration settings. Okay, that is IDCS. Using IDCS, they will give better security. We will create a domain. In that domain, we have pre-built application roles. Using that application roles, you can create your application roles. You can assign users. You can create your own groups. That groups should assign to any application roles, like that. Okay, it will give better security compared to any other reporting tools or cloud technologies. Okay, and we will discuss more. Okay, today is the demo. Due to that, I am only giving some brief about this. Okay, just to summarize. Okay, we are going to implement each and everything. Okay, in coming sessions. Okay, not only this. Okay, other than this scalability, performance, and security, another feature called as a what? Load balancing. Okay, load balancing. Here we are see, in real time we have different types of instances, right? Okay, so, have based upon your project or client requirement, we are going to work on different servers. And see, while working on different servers, we need to load, we need to manage the load. Okay, that how this load balancing will work. Okay, they have excellent feature called as what? Load balancing. Using this, Oracle Analytics Cloud will balance any kind of load from network side, from user side, any kind of network it will handle. Okay, any kind of load it will handle, and it will support. Okay, and that loading also, they are going to operate in queue mechanism, and using that, it will await the load on server. That stuff also we will discuss in coming session. Okay, we have one excellent feature called as about write back. I think whoever having OBIW knowledge, they will know about this write back. In this write back, that OBIW is different, and here write back is different. Here advanced topics. Okay, here real time. Okay, right now in a project, we have a requirement. Okay, we have a requirement. Okay, there we are calling one external ASPX. ASPX means it's a .NET, Microsoft .NET application. We are calling through this write back. Okay, that feature also we will show it in coming session. Okay, yes, and like that, we have plenty of features coming to this Oracle Analytics Cloud. These all we will discuss as a part of this particular training program. Okay, yes. Now let me brief about architecture of Oracle Analytics Cloud. These are the main features. Now let me explain the architecture. Let me explain the architecture diagram. Okay. See here, I think, okay, this is the basic example of architecture diagram, okay? And see, this Oracle Analytics Cloud. Inside of this Oracle Analytics Cloud, we have plenty of features, okay? Let me draw, okay, what is inside, okay, first of all. Okay, first of all, let me explain this, okay? Oracle Analytics architecture, right? Here, this is Oracle Analytics Cloud. What inside of this Oracle Analytics Cloud, I will tell you. Okay, okay, in this diagram, you need to understand this Oracle Analytics Cloud will use for, yeah, first of all, it will use any mobile or tab browser or Oracle day by day app. Okay, we need to download this Oracle day by day app. You can use this Oracle Analytics Cloud using mobile and using tab also. You are able to access your reports. Okay, obviously using this OAC, we are going to create enterprise dashboards and reports. That terminology in OAC we used to call as about workbooks or DV. Okay, and see here this is called as about DV. DV stands for, it's a advanced version of dashboard. Okay, you can see complete 50 over scorecard in a report, right? Okay, first 10 hours, what is the run rate for 20, 30, 50, 40, like that whole business you can see under one KPI called as a what, this one. Okay, DV. Using this Oracle Analytics Cloud, we can do this one. Okay, before going to, just now I tell you, right, workbook nothing but a report. Without data we cannot create any report, right? Due to that, here this, see, downstreams. Okay, inside, okay, inside we have enterprise modeler. Okay, using semantic model we will create a data model. Okay, the data model here, we are using a component called semantic model. There we have physical layer, business layer, and presentation layer. There we can import the tables, we can do our dimensional modeling, put it into VM layer, you can create your logics and put it into presentation. After that you can deploy and you can create these kind of reports and TV. And not only tables, it will support end user Excel sheet also. You can use as a data source and you can create report. Not only that, just now I explained, compared to any other reporting tool, OBA give, see, this OAC give better scalability. Why? Because it will select any kind of unstructured data. See, due to that, here they clearly mention SBase having unstructured data. Here, data in the form of cubes. That unstructured data, using that unstructured data also, we can create our reports using OAC. Okay. Now I will draw you what is inside of this OAC. Okay. What is inside of this OAC? Let me draw a diagram for you. Open note. Okay, and here I am going to drag. Okay, first of all, what is there? Okay, and see, now Oracle having a platform. That platform name called as a what? That platform name called as a what? Oracle infrastructure. Okay, Oracle infrastructure cloud. Okay, now nobody using on-prem. Okay, previously OBIEE and OBIA or Informatica or other technology, you can download the particular software from the site and you can download it into your respective operating system. Now, this OAC is completely different. Okay, we need to purchase from Oracle based upon your subscription. They will provide a URL for you. After that, they will give some username and password. Using that, you need to log in and you need to do your work. Okay, now it is very secured. Okay, yes. Now I am going to discuss what is inside of this OAC. Okay, first of all, OAC. This OAC, where it will reside, I will tell you. Now, first of all, Oracle Infrastructure Cloud. Okay, it's a complete platform from Oracle. Okay, and before going to do any OAC implementation, first, okay, this admin job need to be complete. Sorry, Oracle Infrastructure Cloud. In this Oracle Infrastructure Cloud, what are the components they will create? I will tell you. Okay, in this Oracle Infrastructure Cloud first. Okay. Oh my God, come on. Sorry. You guys are able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let me reopen for you. Oh, come on. Okay, here I cannot see. First of all, just now I explained, right? Okay, and Oracle infrastructure cloud. Okay, we will get. Okay, and how this OAC will work, I will tell you. Okay, first Oracle infrastructure cloud. Let us take example. I am going to implement OAC for particular client. Okay, there we require database and other stuff, right? Without database, we cannot use OAC. Why? Because without data, we cannot create any workbook. Without workbook, what user will understand the business? Due to that, okay. First, they will purchase a infrastructure from client. To build a building, you need site, right? Like that, okay. First, to implement any Oracle cloud information, first you need to purchase Oracle infrastructure cloud subscription, okay. Once you provide, get you need to create a compartment, okay. You need to create a compartment. That is completely DBA job, okay. I am trying to explain, okay. You guys don't have any real-time experience, due to that I am telling, okay. And first we need to create a compartment. That compartment DBA will do. And a database type, obviously, as per our real-time example, I am going to use Oracle or any relational databases, okay. And obviously we required what? Network. Without network we cannot use, right? Inside network we required internet, okay. After that we need to specify home region. Okay, from which location? Why? Because data center, this cloud infrastructure maintained by Oracle, right? Based upon their region, based upon region they will allocate your data center. Due to that, you need to choose these three options. No need to worry, this is completely DBA job. And once it is available, we will create a OAC instance. Before going to create a OAC instance, you need to know about this Oracle infrastructure components, okay. Like what is compartment? Compartment is a combination of blocks, okay. Let us take example, one shopping mall, okay. Let us take example of shopping mall. Land called as a what? Oracle infrastructure cloud, okay. Compartment called as a what? In mall we have floors, right? 5 floors. Let us take example, 5 compartments. Each compartment, one compartment database, next compartment network, next compartment is region, okay. These all we required before going to implement OAC. Got it, guys? Yes. Okay, and first what we required? See, now this is completely called as what? Oracle infrastructure cloud. Here what is block 1, block 2, block 3. Okay, oh, sorry, let me draw like this. I think you guys are okay. In real time also we can see like this, okay. This is called Oracle infrastructure cloud, okay. Here first one we have, this is called as what? Compartment. This will called as a what? Compartment, okay. Next one called as a what? Database. Okay. Next one called as a what? Network. Sorry. Next one called as a what? Network. Okay, what is the next one? Next one called as the what? Region. Next one called as the what? Region. Okay, region. Okay, and this is how it will look like. Okay, and a compartment. Okay, and a database and a network. These all they need to implement. Okay, and once compartment is ready, okay, in this compartment we have this OAC. OAC resides under our compartment. Okay, OAC resides under our compartment. Okay, for this OAC using network, we will connect to database, and this compartment will have under region. Okay, yes, OAC will reside under here. Oracle Analytics Cloud. Oracle Analytics Cloud resides under compartment. Okay, clear? Like this. Okay, this is the architecture. Okay, and see, let me explain again. Okay, and see, Oracle infrastructure is the site. In that site, we have a compartment and a database and network and region. Okay, and from after these all created by DBS. Okay, in compartment, our Oracle Analytics server will reside. Okay, yes, this is the concept. Okay, now this is about architecture. Okay, and OAC. Let me save this. Okay, this is OAC. Now here, let me show you some real-time examples. Okay, and semantic model. Just now I told you, right? We are going to create data model. That data model, semantic model architecture like this. Okay, and see here, this is the semantic model and the creation of metadata. Okay, here we have physical, logic, and PMM presentation layers. Okay, and see data here. See, first of all, it will flow from like this. Okay, data sources, from data sources like relational database, unstructured data like cubes, and any cloud services. Okay, autonomous data warehouse, clouds. Okay, due to that this cloud symbol, and I think how to effort. Okay, this is called relational database. Okay, it will support any kind of structured data like relational database, data in the form of rows, tables. Okay, it will support, and not only that, unstructured data like cubes also it will support any kind of cloud databases. Okay, now DBAS. Okay, database cloud services. Okay, and flat files also it will support any kind of data. Using any kind of data, first of all we will put it into this semantic layer. Okay, previously we will called RPD using administration tool, right? That administration tool they rename as a what? Semantic model architecture. Okay, and here we have three layers. Okay, first layer physical layer, next one will be what? Logical layer, next one will be what? Presentation layer. And what you will do, okay, once this database is ready, and we will work on physical layer. In this physical layer, connectivity and data abstraction. Okay, how to do that? First we will import data from any one of the source. Once we imported this data into physical layer, we will define data modeling. Okay, basically data modelings are two types, right? Star schema and snowflakes. Star schema means one, we have one fact table and dimension table. Fact table surrounded by multi-dimension, that is called as our star. Snowflakes means it will one fact table surrounded by dimension, any one of the dimension connected with one more dimension, that is snowflakes. What is fact? How to identify fact and dimension? We will tell you in real-time examples. Okay, and after that we will do normalize. Okay, we will do some renaming, and you can denormalize, like create aliases or anything if you want. Okay, and like flat files, multi-dimensional, SAS, any kind of stuff you can do. Once you did this, you can put it into logical layer. And here you can define your own logics and other stuff. Okay, like you can create your business semantics, like any metrics you can create, like hierarchies, aggregations, measures, calculations, whatever you want. And once you put this here, you can put your presentation layer. Using this only you can do role based data delivery, like only particular region people only see particular related data. That kind of security you can implement, implicit facts you can define, and these all stuff you can do under this presentation layer. This using this layer only, your data insights, you can create workbooks using this subject area. Okay, and these all stuff you can do it. Okay, and basically these are the query clients. Okay, query engine semantic model we need to deploy. Okay, basically query analytics engine. Okay, Oracle analytics query engine is the server. There we are going to deploy our RPD. Using that you can create your reports. Like that our semantic model will work. Okay, now let me show you real time. Okay, and this is called as a what, OAC instance. Okay, and this is called as a what, OAC instance. Just now I explained, right? This is called as a what, presentation, the semantic model. Okay, this is the semantic model. In this semantic model you can I created a new database. Okay, we have these many databases, these many schemas I have. Okay, now use the database, and we have these many schemas. From these schemas we need to select required tables, and I selected required tables. In between these tables you need to define joins. How to provide these joins I will tell you. And we can do advanced. Okay, like some hints we can write, some properties we can set. These all we will discuss. Okay, and the connection pool. Okay, in this connection pool also I given a name like this, and here inside we have a lot of stuff to do. Okay, and open details here. Okay, remote connections, writing hint, role based. Okay, permissions. Okay, write back. These settings, everything we will discuss as a part of this training program. Not only that, after the query limits also we will do how to do this stuff, and these all we will discuss as a part of this training program. And we will create a new DP, and there how we are going to do. Once it is created, once it is created, these all objects also we will discuss, like how to create a database, how to create a catalog, how to create a schema, what is how to create a physical table, or how to create physical alias. Why? Because we are going to work on real-time data. We are going to avoid real joins. Okay, we can create aliases, and how to use unstructured cubes like SBase. And after that, how to create a business model, how to create logical tables, subject area, presentation table, initialization blocks used for variables. This all we'll discuss as a part of this training program. Okay, and once this done, we will validate this particular repository, right? How to do that validation also we will discuss. Okay, and these all stuff also we will discuss, and in case of any errors, how to fix these errors, and these all we will discuss. Okay, after that we will deploy this particular RPD. We can see our real-time reports like this. Okay, we can see our real-time reports like IPO I created, and if you want okay, industry samples and whatever. Okay, samples you have, these all. Okay, FDA learning, and this kind of stuff also we can do it. Okay, and here these kind of reports we can do, how to do this kind of reports, and how to do this DV, and these all stuff. Okay, this is one of the report. Okay, complex reports. Okay, and how to drill down. Okay, and these kind of reports also I will explain as a part of this training program. These are variables. Okay, and it looks like BI, but there are multiple stuff. Okay, and workbooks and reports. These are the sample workbook and reports. Okay, and you can use whatever you want. Okay, and these many complex stuff we have, and everything we will discuss as a part of this training program. Okay, for real time oriented training, and real time concepts, and you can call this number. Okay, you can call us on 25. Okay, we will give you a real-time online training on OAC. Okay, and these are the concepts actually, and everything we will discuss, and real-time instance also we will provide, and everything we will as a part of this training.